Ninth question. The question is a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 192, d is equal to question mark. S is nothing but what? Sn only. Correct? What we need to find out? D. We know the formula. Big Sn formula. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to what is Sn value? 192 is equal to n value 8 divided by 2 in bracket 2 into a 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d as it is. 2 ones are 2 fours are 192 is equal to 4 in bracket 2 threes are 6 plus 8 minus 1 7 into d 7d. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Then into 4 it will become divide. 192 divided by 4 is equal to 6 plus 7d. 4 ones are 4 fours are 16. 3 remaining 32. 4 eights are 32. 48 is equal to 6 plus 7d. Plus 6 it will become minus. 48 minus 6 is equal to 7d. Next. 48 minus 6 is 42 is equal to 7d. Into 7 will become divide. 42 divided by 7 is equal to d. 7 ones are 7 six are. Therefore d is equal to 6. This is 10th question. L is equal to 28. L is nothing but what? Last term. What is last term? An. Okay. L is nothing but what? An is equal to 28. Then S is nothing but what? Sn only. Sn is equal to 144. N is equal to 9. A is equal to question mark. Understood? We need to find out the first term. We know the last term. That is Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus an. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus an. What is Sn? 144 is equal to 9 divided by 2 in bracket. What is A? Don't know. What is An? 28. Next, division 2. It will become multiplication. 144 multiplication 2. Okay, multiplication 9 it will become division 9 is equal to A plus 28. 9 ones are 9. Ones are 9. Then 5 remaining 54. 9 6 are 54. 16 2s are 32 is equal to A plus 28. Plus 28 it will become minus. 32 minus 28 is equal to A. Therefore A is equal to 4. We got A value. Check it out. Fourth main, the question is, what is the question here? How many terms of the AP? How many terms means n is equal to question mark. How many terms? N is equal to question mark of the AP. What is A value?
9.
A is equal to 9. What is common difference formula? What is second number? 17 minus 9. What is D value? 8. Correct? Okay. How many terms of the AP? 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum. Sum Sn is equal to 636. How many terms is nothing but what? N is equal to, we know n value, we know d value, we know Sn value, we know d value, we know n value. What we need? A value. What we need to find out? N. We know that Sn is equal to formula n divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus पता है क्या? Sn कितना है? 636 is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket 2 into what is A? 9 plus n minus 1. What is D? 8. जो जो वैल्यू है वो वैल्यू डालने का, उतना ही, कुछ भी नहीं है एक्स्ट्रा. Okay, division 2 it will become what? Multiplication. ಅಂಗು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ division multiplication ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay? Look here, another step. 636 is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket 2 9s are 18 plus n into 8 8n minus 1 into 8 8. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next, 636 is equal to 2 ones are 2 nines are 9 into n 9 n 2 ones are 2 nines are 9 into n 9 n plus 2 ones are 2 fours are 4n 4n into n 4n square. Understood? 2 ones are 2 fours are 4n into n 4n square. Next minus 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 into n 4n. Okay. Next 636 is equal to 9n minus 4n 5n plus 4n square. 636 plus is there. It will become what? Minus 636. That means therefore what is the value here? 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. जो प्लस था वो माइनस हो गया. दोनों कैसा है वैसे ही लिखे. पहले 4n स्क्वायर लिखे बाद में 5n लिखे. नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट टर्म्स मल्टीप्लाई ಮಾಡೋಣಂತ. मल्टीप्लाइंग फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट टर्म 4 6 are 24 4 is 12 14 carry on 25 2 5 double 4 2 5 double 4 into n square minus is there minus. Understood? 2 5 double 4. You need to multiply two numbers. By multiplying those two numbers you must get what? 2 5 double 4. If you add those two numbers you must get what? 5n 2 5 double 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 sevens are 2 twos are correct. 2 6 are 2 threes are 2 6 are. Next 2 threes are 2 ones are 2 eights are. Next 2 ones are 2 fives are 2 nines are. Next 3 fives are 3 threes are 53 ones are 53 out of the varanga. Understood? You have to multiply all these things. 2 twos are 4 twos are 8 twos are 16 threes are 48 into 53. Correct? One is plus, one is minus. Here plus is there, big number is plus. Understood? Next 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. What is common here? Only n. n in bracket 4n plus 53 minus 12 common. Minus 12 common because 12 fours are 48. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 12 common ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ 4 ಬರಬೇಕು. 12 fours are 48 n minus common ತೆಗೆದಿನಿ. minus common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 636 divided by 12 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ? 53 is equal to 0. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಇದು as it is ಹೆಂಗದಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಹಂಗೆ ಬರಂಗ ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೇಮ್. Next what happens? n minus 12 is equal to 0 and 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. Minus 12 it will become what? Plus 12. n is equal to 12 and 4n is equal to minus 53. n is equal to minus 53 divided by 4 which is not applicable because it is negative. n must not be negative. Understood? कितना है आंसर? n is equal to 12. Check it out. Question, important question. The question is the first term of an AP is 5. What is first term? What is first term? 5. Correct. Given. What is first term? A. A is equal to 5. Correct. Next. And the last term is 45. Last term is an. An is equal to 45. An is equal to 45. The sum is 400. Sn is 400. Sn is equal to 400. Find the number of terms. Yes, n is equal to question mark and also common difference. D is equal to question mark. Understood? Small formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus an. We know that Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus an. Sn value is 400 is equal to n by 2 in bracket a value is 5 plus 45. Division for it will become multiplication. 400 into 2 is equal to n in bracket 45 plus 5 50 into 50 will become divide. 400 into 2 divided by 50 is equal to n. 0 0 5 ones are 5 6 are. Therefore n is equal to 8 is 16. We got n value as 16. Correct? N value as 16. What we need to find out here?
D. Common difference.
Common difference D. To find the common difference, you need to go for the AN formula. AN is equal to
A plus
A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. What is AN value? 45. 45 is equal to A value is 5 plus 16 minus 1 into D plus 15 become minus 45 minus 5 is equal to 15 1 16 minus 1 15 into D. 45 minus 5 40 is equal to 15 D into 15 will become divide. 40 divided by 15 is equal to D. 5 3s are 5 8s are. Therefore D is equal to 8 divided by 3. This is the required solution. Check. Check. Sixth question. Question is the first and last term of an AP. What is first term here?
17.
Okay. Given A is equal to 17. What is last term? AN is equal to 350. First and last terms are A and AN respectively, and common difference D is equal to 9. We need to find out N is equal to question mark, Sn is equal to question mark. Correct? To find N value, we need to take AN formula. AN formula. AN is equal to, we know that AN is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. What is AN? 350 is equal to A 17 plus n minus 1. D value is 9 plus 17 become minus 350 minus 17 is equal to n minus 1 into 9. 350 minus 17 333 is equal to 333 is equal to n minus 1 into 9 into 9 will become divide. 333 divide 9 is equal to n minus 1. 3 4s are 9 3s are 9 3s are 27 6 63 9 7s are 63. Okay, n minus 1 minus 1 it will become what? Plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 37 plus 1. N is equal to 38. We need to find out sum of 38 terms. Sum of 38 terms. That means Sn. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket A plus An, because we know first and last terms. Sn n is equal to 38 divided by 2 in bracket A value 17 plus An 350. 2 ones are 2 19s are 19 in bracket 360 3 6 7 multiplied 19 7s are 20 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 140 ಆಗಿತ್ತು 133 19 7s are 133 carry 13 19 6s are 114 127 carry 12 19 3s are 57 67 69 6973. Check it out. Yes, 38 is equal to 6973. The sum of 38 terms is 6973. 6973. Seventh question. The question is, find the sum of first 22 terms. N is equal to 22. Okay. Given, find the sum of first 22 terms. Nothing but n is equal to 22. Of an AP in which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term. What is 22nd term? A 22 is equal to 149. Understood? What we need to find out? Sum. Yes, 22 is equal to question mark. Correct? Next, we don't know A value. First of all, what we need to find out? A value. From, we know that A22 can be split as
A plus 21D.
A plus 21D. A plus 21D is equal to 149. What is A value? Don't know. 21. D value?
7.
7 is equal to 149. A plus 147 is equal to 149. A is equal to 149 minus 147. Plus it will become minus. Next, A is equal to 2. We got A value, we got D value, we got N value, we got AN value. What we need to find out?
Yes.
Sn. Now, Sn is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket
A plus
A plus An, because
we have
here n is 22. A22 is nothing but what? An only. We know first term, we know last term. Yes, n is equal to n is nothing but 22 divided by 2 in bracket. A value 2 plus 149. 2 ones are 2 11 11 in bracket 151. This is equal to 151 ones are 151, carry 15. 151 ones are 151, 61 is 66. 166. 1661. Okay, what is Sn value? 1661. We check the answer. Is find the sum of first 51 terms. First 51 terms. N is equal to 51. N is equal to 51. Given n is equal to 51. Sum of, that is nothing but what? Yes, n is equal to question mark. Next, of an AP whose second term, what is second term? A2 is equal to 14. Then A3 is equal to 18. A2 can be represented as
A plus D.
A plus D is equal to 14. Then A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 18. Equation number 1. Equation number 2. 1 minus 2 gives. 1 minus 2 gives. 1 minus 2 gives. Minus. 1 minus 2. Change the chinas. Plus A minus A. Cancel. Plus D minus 2D. Minus D is equal to minus 18 plus 14.
Minus 4.
Minus.
Cancel.
D is equal to 4. Put this value in equation number
1.
4. D is equal to 4 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? A plus D is equal to 14. A is equal to plus 4, it will become
Minus 4.
14 minus 4. A is equal to 10. We got A value, we got D value. What we need to find out?
Yes, sir.
Sn. Sn formula.
A plus
Big formula. Because you don't know the last term. Okay. Big formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn value is 51 is equal to 51 divided by 2 in bracket 2 into a plus 51 minus 1 into d value 4. D value is 4. This is equal to 51 divided by 2. 2 tens are 20. 51 minus 1 50 into 4. This is equal to 51 divided by 2 in bracket 20 plus 5 4s are 20. 200. This is equal to 51 divided by 2 into 220. 2 ones are 0. 51 into 1 0. Okay, look at 51 zeros are 0. 51 ones are 51. Carry 5. 51 56. 5 6 1 0 will be the required solution. Check it out. Very important question. The question is, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, we need to find out the sum of n terms. Understood? Okay, what are the given things here? What are the given things? Sum of 7 terms. That means yes 7. Sum of 7 terms. S7 is equal to 49. Next, sum of 17 terms is equal to 289. 289. What we need to find out? Sn is equal to question mark. Understood? Okay. We know the formula. Sn formula. Big formula. Sn is equal to
N by 2.
Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But Sn, what is n value here? S7 is equal to 7 divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. Correct? Then S7 value 49 is equal to 7 divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus 6d. Correct? Next, 49 is equal to 2 to cancel. 7 into a 7a plus 2 ones are 2 3s are 3d. 3d into 7 21d. 3 7s are 21. Understood? Next is hang baripodappa. It is divisible by 7, divisible by 7, divisible by 7. 7 common thing. Divide throughout by 7. 49 divided by 7 is 7. 7a divided by 7 is a plus 21 divided by 7 is 3d. Therefore a plus 3d is equal to 7. This is equation number 1. What we put here? N is equal to 7. If we put n is equal to 17, correct? Look here. The second one is 17. Yes or no? We need to put what? N is equal to 17. That means Sn is equal to or S17 is equal to n is equal to 17. S17 is equal to 17 divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. S17 value is 289 is equal to 17 divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus 16d. 289 is equal to 289 is equal to look at one telsa madana division 2 it will become what? Multiplication 2. Multiplication 17 it will become what? Divide 17 is equal to 2a plus 16d. 17 ones are 17, 17s are correct? Okay. 17 twos are 34 is equal to 2a plus 16d. Divide throughout by 2. Divide throughout by 2. What you get? What you get? 17 is equal to a plus 8d. Therefore, a plus 8d is equal to 17. Equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2 or equation 2 minus 1 gives. Equation 2 minus 1 gives. What is equation number 2? A plus 8d is equal to 17. Equation number 1. A plus 3d is equal to. A plus 3d is equal to 7. Huh? A plus 3d is equal to 7. A plus 3d is equal to 7. Change the chinhas. D2 gets cancelled. 8 minus 3 is 5d. 17 minus 7 is 10. Into 5 to become divide. D is equal to 10 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. D is equal to 2. Put D value in equation number 1. Put D is equal to 2 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? A plus 3d is equal to 7. A plus 3 twos are 6 is equal to 7. Okay, plus 6. It will become what? Minus 6. A is equal to 7 minus 6. A is equal to 1. We got A value. We got D value. What we need to find out? Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn. N don't know value. N divided by 2 in bracket 2 into a value is 1 plus n don't know minus 1 d value 2. Correct? This is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2 into 1 2 2 into n 2n minus 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel n divided by 2 in bracket 2 n 2 2 cancel n into n n square. Therefore Sn is equal to n square. Sn is equal to n square is the answer. Check it out. Other question. The question is, show that A1, A2 and so on An forms an AP where An is defined as below. An is equal to 3 plus 4n. An is equal to 9 minus 5n. What we need to do? We need to form an AP. We need to form an AP. First of all, we need to add n is equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3 and so on. Check whether they are AP or not. First question, An is equal to 3 plus 4n. Put n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if n is equal to 1, what is the formula value? A1 is equal to 3 plus 4 in bracket 1. n idhar 1 hakakashte. Then A1 is equal to 3, 4 ones are 4. A1 is equal to 7. We got first term A1 or A. When n is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. This is equal to 3 plus 8. This is equal to 11. A2 is equal to 11. A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 in bracket 3. This is equal to 3 plus 12. This is equal to 15. A3 is equal to 15. Next, A4 is equal to A4 is equal to 3 plus 4 in bracket 4. This is equal to 3 plus 16. This is equal to 19. A4 is equal to 19. Next, what we need to do? We need to check this is in AP or not. What are the values here? 7, 11, 15, 19. Take them. 7, 11, 15, 19 and so on. Check whether it is in AP or not. We need to check whether it is in AP or not. For that we need to find out D1, D2, D3. If D1, D2, D3 are equal, then it is in AP. Correct? Okay. D1 is equal to formula A2 minus A1, 11 minus 7, 4. D2 is equal to A3 minus A2, 15 minus 11. D2 is 4. Then D3 is equal to A4 minus A3. A4 is 19 minus 15. What is the answer? 4. Therefore, D1 equal to D2 equal to D3. Therefore, it forms an AP. Correct? Okay. Similarly, we can also do for the next question. What is the question next? An is equal to 9 minus 5n. Put n is equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4. You will get A1, A2, A3, A4. What you need to find out? D1, D2, D3. If they are equal, then it forms an AP. Understood? Good. 11th question, very important question. The question is, if the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? That is S1. What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third term, 10th term and nth term. These are the points. What we need to find out? We need to find out S1, S2, A1, A2, A3, A10, AN. Given thing. What are the given things here? Given things. Number 1. The sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. That is Sn Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. 4n minus n square. Equation number 1. Next, what we need to find out? First term, that is a1 or s1 is equal to a1 only. Then s2 is equal to question mark. Then a2 is equal to question mark. Then a3 is equal to question mark. a10 is equal to question mark. an is equal to question mark. These are the question mark. We need to answer them. And nth term. That is about an only. Adilpa an. First of all, s1 n equal to 1. Okay? s1 andre enapa? N equal to 1. Question mark. When n is equal to 1, put n equal to 1 in equation number 1. Then s1 is equal to 4 into 1 minus 1 square. Correct? n idile enako 1 n idile 1 akade 4 into 1 minus 1 square. This is equal to 4 ones are 4. 1 ones are. What is the s1? Okay, s1 is equal to what? a1 only. a1 is equal to s1 is equal to 3. Next, what you need to find out? Put n is equal to 2 in equation number 1. Then s2 is equal to 4 in bracket 2 minus 2 square. This is equal to 4 2 is 8. 2 square is 4. Okay, what is the answer? 4. S2 is equal to sum of two terms. S2 is equal to what? Sum of two terms. Next, what we need to find out? A2. What is the formula for A2? S2 minus S1 is nothing but what? A2. The second term A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. What is the second term here? 4 minus, what is the first term? 3. Correct? 3. What is the A2 value? 1. A1 is equal to 3. A2 is equal to 1. Next, common difference. What is common difference formula? A2 minus A1. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is 3 minus 1. Not 3 minus 1. 1 minus 3. What is the answer? Minus 2. Common difference is minus 2. What we need to find out? A3. A3 is A plus 2D. A is 3 plus 2 is 2 only. D is minus 2. This is equal to 3 plus into minus. Minus 2 2s are 4. What is A3? Minus 1. Next A10 na? A10 is equal to A plus 9D. A is 3 plus 9 into D is minus 2. This is equal to 3 minus 18. What is the answer? Minus 15. Therefore, A10 is equal to minus 15. Next, what we need to find out? AN is equal to formula A plus in bracket minus 1 into D. A value 3 plus N minus 1 into minus 2. This is equal to 3 plus into minus 2 into N minus into minus 2 into 1. This is equal to 3 plus 2 5 minus 2n. Therefore, An is equal to 5 minus 2n. These are the answers. Check it out. The question is, find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. First 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Correct? Okay, that means 6 table up to 40. First 40 integers which are divisible by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are 6 threes are 6 40s atana. Understood? What are those? 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on 240, because 40th number is 40 into 6 240. What we need to find out? Sum. Sn. Here a is equal to 6. Common difference is 12 minus 6 6. Then n is equal to how many numbers are there? 40. Sn is equal to question mark. Formula Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus an. Yakro? Because we know the first term, we know the last term. Therefore n is 40 is equal to 40 divided by 2 in bracket 6 plus 240. Okay, this is equal to 20 in bracket 246. This is equal to 2 6 are 12. Carry 1. 2 4 are 8 plus 1 9. 2 2 are 4 0 as it is 4920. That is sum of first 40 integers which are divisible by 6 is 4920. Will be the answer. Question number 13. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. 8 के multiples, 8 के table, 8 का table, कहाँ तक? 15 तक. Understood? What we need to find? The sum of 15 multiples of 8. What are the multiples of 8? 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32 and so on. 8 15s are 120. What is A value? What is D value? A2 minus A1. 16 minus 8. D is equal to 8. Common difference we got. A we got. How many terms are there? 15 terms are there. What is the last term? What is the last term? 120. What we need to find out? Sn. We know the first term. We know the last term. Okay. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus an. Okay. What is n value? 15 divided by 2 in bracket 8 plus 120. This is equal to 15 divided by 2 in bracket 128. 2 ones are 2 6 are 2 4s are. This is equal to 15 4s are 60, 15 6 are 90, 90 plus 6 96. Therefore, the sum of first 15 terms which are multiples of 8 is 960. In number 14, find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 to 50. Odd numbers between 0 to 50. Odd numbers between 0 to 50. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7. Last one 49. What is A? What is D? What is A2? What is the D value? Then what is AN? 49. Do we know N value? No. Do we know Sn value? No. First of all, what we need to do? N find. Okay. With the help of the formula AN. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into B. What is AN value? 49 is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 2 plus 1 it will become minus 1. 49 minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. 48 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. Into 2 it will become divide. 48 divided by 2 is equal to n minus 1. 24 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 will become plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 25. N is equal to 25. What we need to find out? Sn. Okay. Therefore Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus an. What is n value? 25 divided by 2. What is first term? 1. Last term? 49. This is equal to 25 divided by 2 into 50. 2. Okay. 625 is a 625. Sn is equal to 625. The sum of odd numbers between 0 to 50 is 625. 15th question. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. 200 rupees for first day. What is the first day penalty? First day penalty A1 is equal to 200 rupees. What is the second day penalty?
250.
Second day penalty A2 is equal to 250 rupees. Next, and the third day penalty is 300 rupees. Third day penalty A3 is equal to 300 rupees. Then what we need to find out? The penalty for each succeeding day being 50 rupees more than the preceding day. That is the penalty difference between 2 days. Difference of penalty between 2 days is 50 rupees. Yes or no? Difference. Common difference D is equal to how much? Rupees 50 rupees difference. This is A1, A2, A3. What we need to find out? How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days. What is the number of days? Number of delay days. Number of delay days n is equal to 30. What we need to find out? Sum of penalty. What is sum of penalty is equal to? Sn is equal to question mark. We have n value, we have d value, we have a value. We need to find out Sn. Therefore, Sn is equal to formula.
n by 2 into a plus a.
n by a plus a na ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಗನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Sn is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is equal to what is n value? 30 divided by 2. 2 into first penalty 200 plus 30 minus 1 into d value 50 rupees. This is equal to 15 in bracket 400 plus 29 into 50. This is equal to 15 in bracket 400 plus 3 5s are 15. 1500. Other 53 1450. This is equal to 15 in bracket 1850 multiplication 15 5s are 75, 15 8s are 127, 15 1s are 15, 27,750 rupees is the sum of the penalty. One applied question. The question is an AP consists of 37 terms. The sum of 3 middlemost terms is how much? 225. And the sum of last 3 terms is 429. What we need to find out?
Find
AP. Correct? Here the hint is number of terms. What is the hint here? Number of terms is the hint. Okay. Total number of terms, how much? Number of terms n is equal to 37. If n is odd, then what is the middle term? Middle term is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Middle term. Okay, that is this is equal to 37 plus 1 divided by 2. This is equal to 38 divided by 2. This is equal to 19th term is the middle term. 19th is the middle term. 3 middle terms means 19 plus 1, 19 minus 1. Correct? 3 middle parts are nothing but what? 19 plus 1, 19 minus 1. Let us consider 5 friends. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. They are 5 friends. Correct? Which are the middlemost 3 friends? ಯಾರು A B C D and E. B C D ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ n is equal to 5. middle term n plus 1 divided by 2, that is 5 plus 1 divided by 2, this is equal to 6 divided by 2, this is equal to third. Who is the third number? C. 3 minus 1 2, 2 is B. 3 plus 1 4 is D. Therefore which are the middlemost three terms? B C D. Here we got what? C. We need to find out B. For B what we need to do? 19 minus 1. Then for D 19 plus 1. Then what are the three middlemost terms? Three middlemost terms are 18, A18, comma, A19, comma, A20. Correct? Middlemost terms. And last three terms. How many terms are there?
37.
37. Last term is
37.
A37. Last term is A37. Last three terms A35, A36, A37. Understood? Last three terms are A35, A36, A37. लास्ट के तीन बोलना, लास्ट थ्री टर्म्स बोले तो मिडिल के तीन बोले तो मिडिल ऐसे फाइंड आउट करना. लास्ट क्या है इजीली मिलेगा. लास्ट इजीली सिग्तदरप्ಪ 37 टर्म्स अथवा A37, A36, A35. लास्ट थ्री टर्म्स, थ्री लास्ट terms are A35, A36, A37. Next, the question. According to question, A middlemost terms A18 plus A19 plus A20. Sum of three middle terms is equal to 225. Sum of three middle terms equal to 225. Equal to n ಬರಲಿದಕ್ಕ 225. Then A18 can be split as
A plus
17D. A plus 18D. A plus 19D is equal to 225. A plus A plus A 3A plus 18, 19, 17. Okay, look here. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 19 ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು? 18. 18 plus 18 plus 18 54. Okay, 54D. 54D is equal to 225. Coach. Equation number 1. The sum of last three terms. A35, A36, A37 is equal to 429. A35 can be written as A plus 34D, A plus 35D, A plus 36D is equal to 429. A plus A 3A plus ಇದೊಂದು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕಿ 35 plus 35 plus 35 35 plus 35 105. 105D is equal to 429. Equation number 2. Correct? Equation 2 minus equation 1 gives equation 2 minus equation 1 gives what is equation 2? 3A plus 105D is equal to 429. Next, 3A plus 54D is equal to 225. Change the signs. Plus 3A minus 3A cancel. Then 51D is equal to 402. 204. Correct? Into 51, it will become what? Divided by 51. Then D is equal to 204 divided by 51. 5 ones are 5 fours are 1 ones are 1 fours are. Correct? 51 ones are 51 fours are. D is equal to, put this value in equation number 1. Put D is equal to D is equal to 4 in equation number 1. What is the equation number 1? 3a plus 54d. 3a plus 54d is equal to 225. 3a plus 216, correct? 4 4 is 16, 5 4 is 20, 21. 216 is equal to 225. 3a is equal to 225 minus 216, correct? Next, 3a is equal to 9. A is equal to 9 divided by 3. A is equal to 3. We got A value and we got D value. Therefore, AP, hang baritiya. AP is A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D and so on. What is A value? 3 comma 3 plus 4 comma 3 plus 2 into 4 and so on. 3 comma 7 comma 11 and so on. Correct? This is the required solution. Hence total ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ hence total ನನ್ನ ಮಗ very much. One applied question. The question is, the sum of third and seventh term of an AP is 6 and the product is 8. Find the sum of first 16 terms. Correct? Okay. What are the given things here? Given. Look here. Given the sum of third and seventh term. How do you write third term?
A3.
A3. Seventh term? Sum is equal to how much?
6.
And product A3 into A7 is equal to 8. What we need to find out? Sum of 16 terms. That is S16 is equal to question mark. N is equal to 16. N is equal to 16. Correct? A3 can be split as A plus 2D. A7 plus 6D is equal to
6.
A plus A 6 plus 2 is equal to equation number 1. A3 can be written as A plus 2D into A plus 6D is equal to 8. Correct? Okay? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ತರೋಣಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಬೇಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ಬೈ 2 2a divided by 2a plus 4d is equal to 3 plus 4d ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ a is equal to 3 minus 4d equation number ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗಿಲ್ಲ understood okay put a is equal to how much 3 minus 4d ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ a ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ 3 minus 4d plus 2d okay 3 minus 4d plus 6d is equal to 3 minus 2d another bracket 3 minus plus 2d is equal to a minus b a plus b a square minus b square formula a minus b a plus b a square minus b square that is 3 square minus 2d whole square is equal to 3 3s are minus 2 2s are d square is equal to 8. Understood? Next, plus 9 it will become minus 9. 4d square is equal to 8 minus 9. 4d square is equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel. D square is equal to into 4 it will become divided by 4. D square. After removing the square, we have to add what? Root. What is d value? Plus or minus 1 by 2. Plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Correct? Put this d value in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? From equation number 1. From equation number 1, a is equal to 3 minus 4 into d is 1 by 2. So plus or minus brackets simple ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ಸಾಕು ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಓಕೆ ತುಂಬ ತೊಟ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಎರಡು ಎ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಎರಡು ಡಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ ಎರಡು ಎ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 2d ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ 2a ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 put d is equal to 1 by 2 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ ಕಣ 1 by 2 ಕಣ ಆಮೇಲೆ minus 1 by 2 this is equal to 3 2 1s are 2 2s are this is equal to 1 when a is when d is equal to 1 by 2 a is equal to 1 then when d is equal to minus 1 by 2 put how much d is equal to minus by 2 a is equal to 3 minus 4 in bracket minus 1 by 2 2 1s are 2 2s are this is equal to 3 minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2 3 plus 2 5 a is equal to 5 when d is equal to minus 1 by 2 a is equal to 5 what they are asking here sum of 16 terms sum of 16 terms sum of 16 terms sum of 16 terms Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn value is 16. 16 divided by 2 in bracket 2 into what is a value? क्या तोड़े इधर तोड़े first one a value is 1 plus 16 minus 1 divided by u into 1 by 2. This is equal to 8 in bracket 2 1s are 16 minus 1 15 1s are divided by this is equal to 8 in bracket 2 2s are 15 1s are 15 divided by 2 1s are okay this is equal to 8 in bracket 19 divided by 2 2 1s are 2 4s are 19 4s are 76 if you put d value is minus 1 by 2 a value as 5 you also get what 76 one understood right. Very important question applied question the question is what is the question here 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 and so on plus x is equal to 287 what are the given things here a is equal to 1 d is equal to a2 minus a1 4 minus 1 d is equal to 3 what is n value don't know what is an last number x what is sum of all terms 287 what we need to find it first n with the help of the formula small formula that is an formula an is equal to a plus in bracket n minus 1 into d what is an value x is equal to a 1 plus n minus 1 d value 3 x is equal to 1 plus 3 into n 3 ones are 3 x is equal to 3n as it is minus 3 plus 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 correct x value we got x value x is nothing but what an x is nothing but what an understood next what we need to find out Sn formula Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket a plus an Sn value 287 is equal to n by 2 in bracket 1 plus an is 3n minus 2. 3n minus 2. Next, 287 is equal to n divided by 2 in bracket 3n minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Division 2, it will become multiplication. 287 multiplication 2 is equal to n into 3n. n into 3n, 3n square minus n into 1 n. 287 into 2, 574 is equal to 3n square minus n. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Bring it right inside. 3n square minus n minus 574 is equal to 0. Multiply first and last terms. 3 into 4, 12, 22 and 15. 15, 22. Correct? n square. Huh? 1722. Okay. 1722. Carry ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ. 1722. 1722 n square. Multiply two numbers. You must get what? 1722 minus. Yes. Minus is there. Minus 1722. If you add them or subtract them, you need to get what? 1. Multiply करें तो 1722 मिलना. कितना मिलना तुझे? 1722 मिलना रे बाबा. Okay. 2 8s are 16. 1 remaining 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are. Correct. 8 plus 6 14. 14 plus 1 15. 3 table of 15 बरता था. That means 3 table. 3 2s are 6. 3 8s are 24. 3 7s are 21. Next 7 ने बरता था. 7 4s are 20. 7 1s are 41 1s are 41 ने 8 वाला बनेगा. Okay, 41 separate. Multiply. 7 3s are 21 2s are 20. 42 40 40 40. Correct. 42 minus 41 1. Multiplied 5 1 7 2 2. Next, what do we get? 42n 41n. Here minus is there, big number minus, small number plus. 3n square minus 42n plus 41n minus 574 is equal to 0. 3n in bracket n minus 14 plus 41 in bracket n minus 14 is equal to 0. n minus 14 is equal to 0 and 3n plus 41 is equal to 0. n is equal to 14. n is equal to minus 41 divided by 3, which is not applicable. Therefore, n is equal to 14. Put this value in equation number 1. Put n is equal to 14 in equation number 1. What is equation number 1?
X is equal to 3n minus 2.
X is equal to 3n minus 2. Therefore, equation number 1 is x is equal to 3n minus 2 or 3n minus 2. X is equal to 42 minus 2. X is equal to 40. 40. Okay, we got x is equal to 40. Check it out.